How to change your card on Shein app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. First, you can hit towards any of the item that you want to purchase. Just open the item and add it to the cart. Once you are done selecting the items and adding those items to the cart, head over to the cart section. At the top right corner, you're going to find this cart icon. Click on it. Once you're in the cart page, now click on the option of checkout. With that, you'll be directed to the order confirmation page. Now you have to provide your shipping address. Likewise, select the shipping method and scrolling down here, you're going to find the section of payment method. Now from here, you can easily change your card. In the case you have already updated your card, what you can do is remove that and then check in for any of the options given over here. Then click on place order. Now provide your card details, card number, expiry date and CVV. Likewise, if you have coupon code, points or gift card, you can apply those from here. Then you can check all these and click on place order. Well, this way you can easily change your card on Shein app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.